As we age, our hair often undergoes changes, thinning, graying, or even receding. However, this natural process doesn't mean you have to resign yourself to an unkempt or outdated hairstyle. With the right cut, styling techniques, and a touch of confidence, men over 50 can rock hairstyles that are both age-appropriate and trendy. They say age is just a number, but let's be real. As we grow older, our hair often takes on a mind of its own. Thinning, graying, and even receding can leave many men over 50 feeling like their once luscious locks have lost their luster. But fear not, gentlemen, because as with the right hairstyle, you can not only embrace your silver strands, but also turn heads and exude confidence at any age. In this video, we'll explore the top 10 hairstyles that are perfect for men over 50, proving that style and sophistication know no age limits. From classic cuts to modern twists, we've got you covered with looks that flatter every face shape and hair type. So, whether you're rocking a full head of salt and pepper locks or embracing the bald is beautiful vibe, prepare to be inspired and empowered to rock your best look yet. 1. The distinguished crew cut. Timeless, low maintenance, and undeniably dapper. The crew cut is a fail-safe option for men over 50. This classic style features short hair on the top and sides, with a slightly longer length on top for a touch of texture. The crew cut is perfect for those with thinning or receding hairlines, as it creates the illusion of fuller coverage while maintaining a neat, polished appearance. 2. The sleek side. Part. Exuding sophistication and timeless charm, the side part is a hairstyle that never goes out of style. By sweeping your hair to the side and slicking it back with a touch of pomade or wax, you'll create a polished, refined look that commands respect. This style works particularly well for men with thicker, straighter hair and can be tailored to suit various lengths and personal preferences. 3. The salt and pepper buzz cut. Embrace your grays with confidence by rocking a buzz cut. This low-maintenance style involves trimming the hair incredibly short all over, creating a fresh, clean-cut look that eliminates the need for excessive styling. The buzz cut is perfect for men with thinning hair, or those who prefer a fuss-free routine. Plus, it offers a modern and edgy vibe that defies age stereotypes. 4. The textured crop. For those with a more youthful spirit and a full head of hair, the textured crop is a stylish and versatile option. This cut features shorter hair on the sides and back, with slightly longer lengths on top that can be styled with a matte product for a tousled, piecey effect. The textured crop adds instant volume and dimension, creating a contemporary yet sophisticated look. 5. The gracefully shaved head. Embracing baldness can be a liberating and confidence-boosting experience for men over 50. By shaving your head completely, you'll eliminate the need for styling products and achieve a sleek, low-maintenance look that exudes strength and masculinity. Plus, a well-groomed shaved head can instantly take years off your appearance, giving you a polished and modern edge. 6. The distinguished pompadour. For the dapper gents who prefer a touch of vintage flair, the pompadour is a timeless choice. This iconic style features voluminous height on top, with shorter sides and a slicked back look. The pompadour can be tailored to suit various hair lengths and textures, making it a versatile option for men over 50 who want to channel their inner rock star while maintaining a sophisticated vibe. 7. The silver fox. Embrace your greys with pride and let your natural salt and pepper hues shine by opting for a classic, longer hairstyle. Whether it's a side-swept look or a stylish comb-over, letting your silver locks flow freely can add instant sophistication and distinction to your overall appearance. This style is best suited for men with thicker, fuller hair and a willingness to embrace their age with confidence. 8. The tousled quiff. For those seeking a more youthful and edgy look, the tousled quiff is a perfect choice. This style involves longer hair on top that is brushed upwards and styled with a matte product for a textured, piecey effect. The quiff can be tailored to suit various hair lengths and textures, making it a versatile option for men over 50 who want to add a touch of modern flair to their appearance. 9. The slicked back undercut. Combining elements of classic and contemporary styles, the slicked back undercut is a standout choice for men over 50. This look features longer hair on top that is slicked back with a high shine pomade, paired with closely cropped or shaved sides and back. The undercut adds instant edge and dimension, while the slicked back top exudes sophistication and polish. 10. The curly crop. For men over 50 with naturally curly or wavy hair, the curly crop is a stylish and low-maintenance option. This cut involves keeping the hair shorter on the sides and back, while leaving the top slightly longer to allow your natural texture to shine. The curly crop can be styled with a lightweight product for added definition and control, creating a fresh and youthful look that embraces your unique hair type. Whether you're seeking a timeless classic or a modern twist, these top 10 hairstyles for men over 50 prove that age is truly just a number when it comes to style and confidence. By embracing your unique features and experimenting with cuts and styles that flatter your face shape and hair type, you'll not only look your best, but also feel empowered to take on each day with renewed vigor and self-assurance. So, what are you waiting for? It's time to ditch the outdated notion that aging means sacrificing your personal style. Embrace the journey of growing older